clover. Strapped up, living like a soldier. Yeah, joy gon' come in the morning. Yeah, it wasn't easy. Yeah, they didn't believe me. Yeah, now they gon' see me. She wanna start all over. Green on me like a clover. Strapped up, living like a soldier. Yeah, I cannot hold you, I'm straight from the top.
What is poppin', y'all? It's your girl Queen, and I'm back with another video. So I am with my second family, and we are cooking today. Okay, so right now I am washing dishes.
We are cooking.
All right, 1 and 2 are cooking. So right now I'm washing dishes right now. So yeah, the video live. Video.
Then she talking about she coming at the video.
She's coming. Did y'all hear her? She's coming.
She better be coming. Barbecue sauce on my fingers like that.
Mama said, what do we have on the menu? Hot dogs. We have hot dogs. We have pasta. We have corn. We have baked beans. I don't know what else.
Mom,
This sauce is not hot. I need to warm the sauce and make the sauce.
she's in there, King.
What do you want, his mama?
King,
This is King.
get in the video. King,
Don't give me food with no kids.
King,
No,
King,
that's
come on. Get in the video. I'm gonna take this. Okay, fine.
Here.
Whatever.
I want the food. I didn't hear you say that.
Yeah.
I'm real upset. And you taking Brody. Brody can't go.
Brody can't go, Mama said.
He already in the car.
That's not right.
Y'all look
It's
ashamed.
just Corey.
He should be a Kardashian.
Yeah, you should. It's okay.
Say hi. Say hi, Austin.
You coming back? Go take me.
What's that?
What's down? Yay.
The man y'all be looking for. Cruzy. Hi, man. Say hi. Say hi, man. His little feet. Hey, y'all. Okay, so I don't know. I know it's dark, whatever. So I know you guys are not used to these type of vlogs. Y'all not used to me being in this type of element. But my background is clubs. Okay, so I used to be a bottle girl. I used to be a bartender, and I also thought about being a mother. Okay, so tonight I'm just going to show y'all around, get y'all a little glimpse of what I used to do. Tonight I'm just going up here, so I'm about to go up in here and just turn the club up. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what we're about to do. I'm gonna go in here and show y'all the inside, show y'all who's in here, who's not in here, who's popping, who's not popping. Okay, so we're about to have a little bit of fun. Yeah, so just come with me. And this is the club that I used to work at. So this is my first club ever that I ever used to work at, when I actually really needed some money, when I was coming in here and I was actually working because I needed the bread. But now I'm just going up in here because they paid me to come here. So this is a blessing, you know. I always preach this, like, just get over that hump. I'm just playing. Okay, y'all, so we in this hole. I already saw a fine bitch, and I just walked in this bitch. Okay, so we about to go up in here in a little bit. I'm about to put on my clothes. Well, I'm about to put on my shoes, and I'm shipping right now. I was trying to see who was over us tonight, but it's like new people, so we'll see. Hello. Okay. I'm hella close this time. Look at my baby. Y'all can see him. Look at him. Look at him. Papa.
Cause she played 'em and she got it on